everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet Clank Future Tool Quest for Booty. This episode we are going to, actually this might be the final episode. I believe we don't have to do the bartending thing again. I hope we don't. I'm pretty sure we do not have to do it again. Let's see.
Probably built these defenses to keep out anyone but himself.
Great. I was just thinking I could do with more booby traps.
Nope, we don't have to do it again. So we'll keep going the way we were going before. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Whew. That was intense. Thanks, Halloween. By the way, I'm recording this on Halloween. It's nighttime. I just heard my dog bark like it just got like shot or something. It was like, I was like, oh no. So I had to go check. You know, you gotta keep your doggy safe from strangey creepy people. Those strangey creepy people. Ooh, they're a hassle. Oh no. Bum bum ba-da-dum ba-da-bum bum ba-da-dum ba-da-dum dun da-da-dun da-da-dun dun da-da-dun dun dun no no da-da-dun da-da-dun dun. Here we go. We're gonna do the organ. Or concerto, organ, same thing. Ooh, that's bad. You can't even see the whole top of the screen. I'm sorry about that, guys. Here, I got a little Pac-Man World PlayStation 1 disc. That should level it out. Alright. Maybe another disc of some sort. Where's Gex? I had Gex around here somewhere. Aha! That's not it. That is a remote control. Huh. Great. I did not want to do my episode messing around and crap, looking for stuff and things. Oh, here it is. Gex. Gex likes to have trick cereal. Alright, let's go. Wait, what's this thing? Alright, start this one. Alright, next. Oh, I forgot already. I totally messed up. I don't know why he's still accepting them. How's that? Oh, that's easy. I remember. It's just I accidentally landed on this one. Alright, next one. I don't care what you're gonna say. Oh, that's easy. Bum, 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 bum. Woo!
It is
Alright, thank you. Shoot your balls. Woo! That should unlock all of them, I believe. Alright, well, yeah, we should get down.
One more puzzle and you're in.
What? Which way do I gotta go? Oh, I gotta go up there, of course. Now I actually have to unlock the door. Well, that was a fail. I actually have to go up here and do the puzzle. Wow. Okay, okay, doke. This actually might be the last episode of Quest for Booty Hose.
Those ruins are casting a strange shadow.
I know how to do this. Oh my. I just moved over here? Okay. Alright, so this one has to be way far back then. This one. Alright, come back, sir. Probably about right. Nah. There we go. Okay. Oh, do we need to do the middle one now? There we go.
Correct. Ye may pass.
Oh, when did that guy do?
Captain Tarkwater, perhaps you'd be so kind as to prove yourself by demonstrating your skill with a blade.
It's a trap!
Let me turn it down first. I mean, yeah, it's the last episode, maybe. But, like, calm your titties, man. Yeah, we gotta fight some enemies. Maybe upgrade to level 4 or 5. Yeah, this gun sucks. Woo! Crap guns. Alright, I think these will be the last guys, and then I'll upgrade. Yep, level 4. Dun 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 dun. Not much power. Oh, never mind. Much power. I am mistaken, my friend. Alright, took that guy out. Oh, this guy. There we go. Dun 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 dun. My stomach hurts and I'm getting nausea. Oh my lord, it's a alien thing. It's a Jawfid thing. But the pirates just stole it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to Fusion bomb. I want to upgrade my gun to level 5. OMG. Are you serious, Becky? Are you serious? That what? I don't even use the Lightning Ravager. This is like a mini boss. There we go. Level 5. It looks exactly the same, but blue and yellow. Uncreative much.
There it is. The Fulcrum Star. Oh, crap.
Once you step there, laddie, X doesn't always mark the spot. A fair go tomorrow, young lumbacks. I pray God preserve you from the pythons and their bellies. And don't worry, we'll take good care of your fair Sally.
Oh my gosh, there is more to this level than meets the eye. I thought we would be done with the game. Guess not. I thought we would just go back to the ship. Nope, we gotta traverse the cave. Caves suck. But that's most of this game. Hey! Can you go now? That'd be appreciative. Oh, geesh. That's kind of intimidating. Okay. Okay, jump, jumpity jump. Okay, ow, there's something itchy right there. Ow. I'm coming, Talwyn. Oh, geesh. Whew. That was a close one. Do we just jump onto this? Nope, that's nothing to jump on. Oh, geesh. Woo! Let's go! Oh gosh. Let's go! Really? Woo! I don't know why these guys are here. We're going over there? If we are, that would suck. Oh no, just throw us. Aha! Oh no! Nano Swarmers, go! Ow! Kill him! Geesh, Nano Swarmies. Swarmers. You done? Is he dead? Is he dead-o? Try to get all my guns to level 5. That'd be awesome. I was like, if I have to kill that guy more. But no. It's all good in the hood. Oh, that was fast. Woo! Come here. You're my new pet, Sally. I don't know why I choose the name Sally, but... Oh, it's this douchebag. Hello. You gonna leave me alone? As I know. Alright, I'll just shoot you. Wait a minute. This is level 3! I need to use the Shock Ravager. I forgot I had it. Okay. Do I have my green guy? It is going up. Get out of here, like, whoa, bro. Ho, tro, mo, low. My stomach hurts. This game is giving me nausea. Nausea. Did I just launch that thing? If I did, that would suck. Wow, thanks, game. Ugh, man. Ugh. Ugh. There we go. Oh, more of these. Oh boy. Oh my. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Which way to go? I'll go this way. Oh my. Game, you freak me out. Oh no! No! I will not take this. Saha! Oh gosh. I could easily just like throw an ammo swarmer up there. Or not. No! 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 Oh my god. Oh, all the way back here. No, you guys suck. Really? And then you hit me off the edge. You guys are freaking balls, I swear. Ah! Do you freaking mind? Like, I want to upgrade my weapons, please, and thank you. Oh my gosh. Come on, game. Stop being a... Really? Oh, geesh. That's a little too tall, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, now we know which way to go. Because we ain't a hoe, yo. Thanks. Oh my. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man. Ah. Really? You wanna go? You guys wanna go? That's what I thought. No. Oh no, no. No. Yay, perfect. Oh my, do I need some sort of lava thing? Okay, I am gonna kill these freaking dudes because they're peeking me off. This gun's not upgraded yet? I bet it's on the, like, the very edge, isn't it? Oh, come on. Whatever. Let's just turn this little baby. Walking the plank, I may heart a. Yep, sharp tongue I got. Sorry. Hey, it's our first boss. And he's dead. Get out of here. You think you're cool because you're the first boss? Well, I just freaking killed you. Woo! Bamba ba da 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 dun 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 dun. Woo! Wah wah wah.
Hey there, friend. I just saw a dark water fleet set sail for Ulfar Island. You must have rattled his cage pretty good. Matter of fact, I recently acquired this here Alpha Disruptor. Wouldn't mind letting it go for a reasonable price. Interested?
Woo!
Careful with this thing. It is ranked number 3 on the Polaris Compendium of Ridiculously Overpowered Weapons.
The Alpha Cannon, it's already level 5 for us. That's pretty awesome. Alright, in the next episode will be the last episode. I'll turn it up actually. There's a video. Go away, volume.
Having escaped the dangers of Darkwater Cove, our hero had one final chance to recover the star. But the courageous Captain Slag had no intention of going quietly. He took the Lumbax's female friend captive, which of course multiplies the drummer by, like, 4.
Pete, what have I told you about using math? That there's grounds for a plank walking.
Sorry, Captain. And now, the final chapter in our gripping saga. Events do not occur in real time.
Alright, in the next episode we will continue and we'll fight Captain Slag / Dark Water whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. My name's Eden GV and I'm out. Peace.